computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the basic structure of Java program. Before that, I will tell you what are the requirements for the Java program to run or execute your program. First, you have to install JDK in your computer system to execute your Java program. To write your program, if you want to write program in your computer system, you need a ID or platform through which you will execute your program. For that, you have to install BlueJ. BlueJ is the ID in which you are creating your program, or you can say that to write your program we are using BlueJ IDE. After create a program in the BlueJ, you have to compile your program and execute, or you can say that run the Java program. Now I will show you the basic structure of Java program. I have created for you public class hello. Hello is the class name. Here you can give any name to your class, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever you want to give, but always prefer to give your class name compatible to your program, because it will help you in future to find which program you have created. Because whatever the class name you have given, it will save your program with the same name as of class name. You can see here, save your program with the same name of class name. Public static void main is the main function through which our program start, execute or run. System.out.println is the output statement which displays the message on the screen. Whatever we have passed the message in this statement, it will display same message on the output screen. It will display hello Java on the screen. Now I will clear you all these words or the structure of the program clearly. First, create class using public class, then class name. This is the class name I say. Class name may be any name normally selected and suitable to the operation to be performed in your program. As I said, give compatible to your program, your class name. In future it will help you to find or do any kind of editing in your program. Now we are going to discuss about public. You can see here, public word means that is accessible from any other classes also. That is the access specifier. If you have create your class or function as public, you can access from anywhere, from within the same class or outside the class also. It create a class with the name of hello. These are the non-executable statements I have shown you here in my program. This is a single line comment and this is the multi-line comment. As we have discussed earlier also, there are three types of comments: single line, multi-line and documentation comments. This line will not execute while executing your program part. Now public static void main. Public is the keyword to specify the function that has no restriction or being used anywhere throughout the system. If you declare, as I said earlier, if you declare your class or function as public, you can use anywhere throughout the system. Static. This keyword states the function does not require object creation, because Java is an object-oriented language. Without object you can't create your program, because we are creating our main function as static. That says the function does not require object creation. It means you can create your program with object also or without object also. Void is here data type. It will return nothing, or you can say that null value. It is a non-returnable type function. That is, function will not return any value. Main. Main is the function name. Main function is called by default. Whenever you are executing your program, we are passing a value to user, it will accept the input through keyboard or mouse. Basically there are two standard input format, either keyboard or mouse. It will read or input from the keyboard, read as a or take as a string data. Whatever we are passing the value to user, it will read the value or take the input from the keyboard as a string data. Now, system.out.println is the output statement which displays the output on the screen. System is a predefined class and out is the object of the printlWriter class defined in the system. You can see here, I have written here also. Println is a method which display or print the text on the screen with new line. There are two print methods, println and print. Println method print the text on the screen, and after printing the text it will take the cursor to the new line. Another method is print. Print method print the statement whatever you are given in that method, and cursor will remain on the same line. To terminate your Java statement, we are using semicolon. Semicolon is a terminator to terminate your Java statement. Now come back to your program. See, I have created a class with the name of hello, public static void main, system.out.println. Now pass the value hello Java in the output statement. Now after saving your program with the shortcut key Ctrl+S, next step is compile your program. After compiling the program, you have to close your program here. Then right click on that program. Second option given over here, void main, because your program will execute from main function by default. Click OK. It will display the output like this on your BlueJet terminal window. Now I will create a program in front of you by using assignment method. There are different statements to give the input data value to the program. First we are using assignment statement. Here taken I have two variables, int a, b, c. Value of a is 10, value of b here I have given 20, that is called assignment statement. Now I am finding the value of c, a plus b semicolon. To print the value of, now here I am c. Before execute this program, I will explain you this example clearly. Name of the class is hello. This is the main method. This is called initialization part. As we have discussed in our previous class, this is called initialization and this is called declaration, where we are define the name of the variable, that is called initialization of the variable, that is called where we are passing the value to a variable, that is called declaration. In this we are performing addition of two numbers. After adding two numbers, we are passing the value to the variable c and printing the value of variable c by using output statement system.out.println. Then save your program with the shortcut key Ctrl+S. No changes need to be saved. You can see, then compile your program. Whenever you are compile your program, you will see a message at the bottom of the terminal window. If there is any error, it will display error in the bottom of the terminal window. If no error, then display class compile no syntax error at the bottom of the terminal window. After compilation of your program, close your program, right click, void main, see here, output of the program 30 will display here. Now I will show you one more example how to perform the multiplication of three numbers. To perform multiplication of three numbers, we have to take three variables I have taken here x, comma y, comma z, and one variable for the output. Here I have initialized all the variables. That is called initialization of variable. I have passed the value of all the variables here: x, y, z. Value of the z I have given here 30. Now I am performing operation in variable p. X multiply y multiply z semicolon to terminate the statement. Output will come in which? P variable. Then control plus S to save your program. After that, compile your program. No error in your program. You can see here at the bottom of the terminal window. Close your program. Execute your program. You can see output of your program will come in front of you. Now, I want to display the output with message. Here I want to write multiplication of 3 number is. Whatever we will write in the system.out.println in double inverted comma, it will read as a sentence and same as it will display on the output screen. Here P is the name of the variable. Both are the different things. This is the message or this is name of the variable. To join or concat both the things, for that we are using plus operator. Here plus is the operator to join both the things. One is the message, another is the value of the variable we want to display on the screen. For that we are using plus sign. Now save your program again with the help of shortcut key Ctrl plus S. Compile your program, close. Again I am execute this program. Multiplication of 3 numbers is, you can see output in that form also. Now one more example, how to perform addition of 2 numbers. X, here I have taken variable I, comma j, comma k. Select division of 2 numbers. Here I pass the value of I is 10, value of j is 5. There is no need of this line. Then you can either remove this line with the help of backspace key, or you can put comment in front of that line. It means that line will not execute or read by the execution time. Now we want to perform division of 2 numbers. Output will come in the variable k, I divided by j. Terminator, we are finding here division of 2 numbers. Now here I am writing division of 2 number is. Output will come in which variable? K. Then save your program, Ctrl plus S, compile your program, close from here, then right click and execute your program. You can see division of 2 number is 2, because when we divide, I value is 10, then we divide I by j. 10 divided by 5, the output will come 2. This is called assignment statement. Why we are calling it assignment statement? Because we are assigning a value to a variable